Hello, hello, hello. This is a how to use InVideo for Instagram and Facebook ads. And as you can see, we are currently logged in into the dashboard of InVideo. And there's a lot of great use cases for this because one of which is to be able to make ads creatives for your Facebook and Instagram ads. And if this is a value because sometimes people don't want to just look at one static image. So you can kind of stitch together a few different images and transition throughout with some music. So it's more engaging, more dynamic for everyone to be able to engage with your ads. We found that it's much easier to interact with compared to things like Canva and CapCut for making interactive ad creatives. And a really convenient thing is that there are pre-made transitions and music for easy use.
All right, so to get started, all you have to do is hit this templates right here, or you can hit create new. That's all we're going to start today. So we're going to hit create new and go to templates. From there, a bunch of templates will pop up. Obviously, these are in kind of a portrait format, so you can go through the sidebar and choose the aspect ratio, the type, the industry, to basically create something that is specifically made for what you are trying to create. So we're going to go ahead and click square, and maybe want to do an ad today. So let's click on ad, and maybe let's say we're in the real estate industry. So go ahead and select that. And as you can see, there's a bunch of different templates for real estate. So let's go ahead and click maybe a simple one like this. As you can hear, it's got some music. You can again select the aspect ratio, and all you got to do is click use template.
Okay, so when you select the template, there's a lot of great features here on the left. So first of which is upload. So you can upload your own pictures or videos, and you could replace these that are currently on the template. And there's also one for videos. So if you wanted to find another video to use, let's say this one, we could just drag it onto here and we can add it or replace it. So we'll just actually replace it. There you go. So we added there, kind of blurry there. Oh, there it goes. And then there's also images. So if you don't like a specific image on your slideshow, you could just grab something else. So what's this? We'll say a kitchen, and there it is, a kitchen. We'll add it here and we'll replace it again. So it's pretty simple to just move videos and images in and out. And then another thing you do is change up the music. So let's say, I don't know, chill. Let's do chill music. And then you could pick the music you want. And all you gotta do is add it. We'll delete that here. And there's the music.
Sweet. So from there, you can go ahead and add text. They have a few different types of fonts that you can use, or you can just go ahead and click onto a text box and go ahead and select and change the text from there. Another option to add is a logo. So we've got our logo, actually one of our clients' logo, and basically all you have to do is drag it into that logo box, and what it'll do is it'll upload the logo and play it throughout. Another awesome little thing you can add is like some stickers or shapes, maybe some overlays or some masks. So if you want like this house to be in a interesting shape instead of just flat, you can do that as well. Over here is also some more access, some different kinds of templates. Maybe you decided you changed your mind and you didn't like this template and you wanted something different. You can go ahead and select from there. When you click the More tab, there are some other options for overlays, collages, kind of ways to configure the photos and make it a little bit more creative.
So depending what plan you get, there's different stock images you can use. Some of the higher quality ones, you have to pay for a larger plan. And as you can tell, a lot of things were kind of easy to do. So you just go through these slider here for the different parts of your images. And if you want to change videos or photos, as you saw, we just drag and drop from the images or videos. And then we just slide the bar here for the time frame. And when you're done with your video, you can watch it. And when you're satisfied, you basically just export it. And that might take a while because it takes a while to render it, but you do have the option to do 720 or or 1080p.
Another cool thing about InVideo is that you can actually invite team members, so you can collaborate on working on a design. And it's cool because on the dashboard you can actually see the different projects that your team has been working on and kind of be able to collaborate in that way. Another interesting thing is that InVideo has got a lot of different resources. If you click on their tutorials tab, they have a lot of interesting kind of things about how to, copy and paste or redo something, or some different options basically to learn more about how to use InVideo. So why use InVideo? Well, it's got a lot of positives. Like, it's got a lot of engaging content for ad creatives. As you can see here, they have a ton of templates to choose from. So you can really curate something that matches your brand and your look. It's pretty easy to use for beginners. You don't need to be like a super expert at graphic design or video editing to get started. And it's just a really great resource if you're trying to get into video ads.
And that is how to use InVideo AI. Stay tuned for more about different AIs, and in the next video we will do a review of InVideo AI.